Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another Sailor Moon inspired makeup, and this time is inspired by Sailor Uranus, and that is the look that I'm wearing. So if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so as usual I'm going to start with my eyes. I've just done my brows with the Kiko Precision Eyebrow Pencil. And I've also primed my lids with the Kiko Neutral Eye Base. And the main colors of Sailor Uranus are deep blue and yellow. So I think I'm going to mix two eyeshadow palettes for this. For some of the blues, I'm going to be using the Revolution Reloaded Deep Dive palette. And I'm also going to be using the Tami X Revolution Tropical Paradise palette. And I'm going to be using this one probably for the black and blue, and then for the yellow. I absolutely love this yellow. And for Sailor Uranus, I think I want to do a halo eye with yellow in the center. So I'm going to start with the shade Waterfall from the Tami palette. And I'm going to start by doing a sort of rounded shape on the outer corner and bringing it all the way to the inner corner. And I'm also taking it across. And I'm doing this one with the Jessup Luxe Petite Crease. And I took this shade quite high because I have hooded eyes. So now I'm going to take the lighter matte blue from the Deep Dive palette to just blend a little bit around the edge of this. And I'm using the Jessup Luxe Crease brush. And I want to give depth to both the outer corner and the inner corner, so I'm going to take the Jessup Petite Eye Blender, and I'm using the Midnight Stroll from the Tami palette, that is the matte black. And I'm going to take this on both sides. Because the blue of Sailor Uranus is the darkest blue of all the sailors. So I really want this look to be more deep blue. I still haven't done Sailor Neptune, but I've already done Sailor Mercury. That is also very blue. And I actually think I've also done a halo eye for that one. But that one is definitely a more soft and lighter blue. And I'm going again with the Petite Crease brush to just take a little bit of this black across. So now I'm going to do that halo part in the center with concealer. I'm using the Primark My Perfect Color Creamy Concealer. Just going to have the outer and inner part a little bit more diffused. And for this, I think I'm just going to do one eye at a time. So I'm going to take from the Deep Dive palette the darkest blue shimmer, and I'm going to be using again the Jessup Petite Eye Blender, and I'm using that on this outer part to just blend those edges and also give a little bit of shimmer to this and also this part. This is a really pretty and very deep blue shimmer. And now here in the center, I'm taking the Jessup Luxe Smoky Shader. And from the Temi palette, I'm taking this shade Golden Sands. And I'm packing it in the center. I definitely love this shimmer yellow, and I don't have any color like this on my other palettes. And then I'm also going to blend it a little bit on top of the blue. And I can just go again with the brush I used for the blue just to blend this edge. I definitely think that yellow turns this look completely different and very Sailor Uranus, so I'm just going to be doing the same thing on the other eye. Okay, so for the top part of the eyeshadow, I think that is it. And for eyeliner, I'm not going to do a wing, I'm just going to line very close to my lashes, and I'm using a felt tip. This is the Lip Melots from Kiko. I really like to see it like that, so it's not a wing liner, but it is just a simple line, and I definitely think completes this look. On my waterline, I'm going to be using the Kiko Everlasting Kajal, and then for my lashes, I'm using the Flormar OM Lashes High Definition Mascara. Now, I'm just going to be doing my base off camera, and then I'll come back to finish the lower lash line and the rest of the look. Okay, so my base is done, and if you are wondering what I did, I will leave it up on the cards. I'm doing a wear test on the XX Revolution Glow Foundation, but just to finish the lower lash line, I think I'm going to take the Temi palette and use again the shade Waterfall all over the lower lash line, and I'm using the Jessup Smudger brush. And I'm connecting it to the outer part. And I'm just taking a very small blending brush. This one has no name. And I'm taking it with nothing on, just to blend a little bit of the under edge. Now I am taking the Jessup Luxe pencil, and I'm taking again the shade Golden Sands to just pop a little bit here in the center. I don't have a yellow eye pencil, but I think that would also look really cool on the bottom waterline. And for the inner corner, I am taking the same brush on the shade Pina Colada. And I'm also using that one to highlight the brow bone. So now on the bottom, I'm just using again the Everlasting Kajal and the Flormar mascara. And for my face, I'm using the XX Revolution Gravitate palette. And I'm going to be using the 3 colors. Finally, for my lips, I think Sailor Uranus would probably be more of a gloss person, and I think a sort of nude gloss would go very well with this look. So I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Tiramisu. And just to finish this look, I'm going to set it with the Primark Fix and Perfect. Okay, so that is the look complete. Let me give you a close-up of the eyes. Okay, so this is how the eyeshadow turned out, and I definitely think this is one of my favorite looks, with that deep navy blue and then that very bright yellow shimmer. I absolutely love that color. I think this look is very Sailor Uranus, and I also really love that brow bone highlight. I think that very soft and nudie gloss goes very well with this look, and overall I definitely think this look speaks Sailor Uranus. Sailor Uranus was actually never one of my favorites, but I definitely liked this look. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you want to catch up on the other Sailor Moon inspired makeup I did, I will leave the playlist on the site, and if you haven't already, you can also subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday, Thursday and Saturday. And that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching.